Concerned about who might be accessing your Temu account? Let's take control of your connected devices. First, open your Temu app on the device you wish to manage. Now locate and tap on the Me section. This is typically found at the bottom of your screen. Once you're in your profile, look for an option like Account Settings or Profile Settings. Tap on that. Within your account settings, you'll want to find the device management option. It might be a little further down the list. Here, you'll see a list of all the devices that have accessed your Temu account. Each device will be clearly listed. To remove a device, simply tap on the specific device you no longer want associated with your account. You will then see an option to remove or log out this specific device. Confirm your choice to proceed. And just like that, that device is no longer connected to your Temu account. This is a fantastic way to enhance your security and ensure only you have access to your shopping and personal information. Regularly reviewing your connected devices is a simple yet powerful step in protecting your online presence. Stay safe and happy shopping.